See, oh, everywhere. Hi guys, good morning. I came here in the just for walking, and then I see all the trees fall down because of the rain. I'll show you guys, yeah. See, even in front of my house, all the trees. See guys, see the tree. It's all fell down. All the trees are like this on the way of this Karama side. Big tree. This is the big tree, guys. Just fat, like this much of. See, all this side of trees like falling out. Even here in front of our building, that side, big tree is fallen. This is the Burjuman area. Even the night market is closed because of the. This is the night market. They close because of the rain. And here, I'm just roaming around. Burjuman Mall. This is Burjuman area. See the water, you can still see the water even today. That's why today I get off because of the water rain. Nice weather, right guys? Hello guys, good morning. See how today is the early morning. I came out. Very nice weather. I'll go inside now. मोटी होती जा रही हूँ मैं.